Hi friends, and welcome back. It's Mrs. Vincent back again for another worksheet. Today in class we worked on lesson 23, so you're going to need your workbook. And today you are looking at 5 crayons. That's yellow, green, black, purple, and blue. So 5 crayons and your workbook. If you need to pause the video now to collect any of your materials, go ahead and do so. For those that are ready, we're going to jump right into our first set of rules, and we've been reviewing the parts of a pencil. So we're going to talk about this big gigantic pencil. It's a little bit absurd, the size of this pencil. It's also a little bit absurd that we have our dog down here who is writing with that pencil. So you have a little bit of an absurd picture, but we are going to focus on that pencil and the parts of the pencil. So your first coloring rule is for your green crayon. You're going to make a mark on the eraser, green. We've talked about how that eraser is made of rubber, but there's your eraser. You're going to make a mark on him, green. Next up is your shaft. Your shaft is often made, or is made of wood, and you're going to make a mark on the shaft, blue. Blue shaft. He's made of wood. I'm going to make my mark. My last rule is for your yellow crayon. It's for the point of that pencil. The point is what allows you to write. It is made of graphite, is the name of that material. So I made a mark on my graphite point in yellow, my wooden shaft in blue, and my green eraser made of rubber. All of the parts and materials in our pencil. The rules are a must-do. The rest of the scene is a may-do. Down at the bottom, we're again focusing on parts of a whole. This time we're going to focus on that wagon, okay? The first rule for our wagon is for the body of the wagon. It's where all of your stuff goes. You're going to make a mark on the wagon. The body. Oh my goodness. The word escaped me. The body, blue. So sorry about that. A blue body. Your next coloring rule is for your purple crayon. It's for the frame. And this is one where I'm going to kind of put it down on the bottom so that you can see what the frame actually entails or is made up of. So all of this is a part of the frame. It is very often made of metal, sometimes plastic. It depends on the wagon, but it's what gives your wagon structure, okay? So that is the frame of the wagon. So we have a blue body, a purple frame. Next up are your wheels. That's a pretty easy one. You're gonna make a mark on your wheels, green. I'm only going to make a mark on one, but know that there are 3 that you can see. The 4th one is hidden. Your last coloring rule is for the missing part. Don't forget, as always, to go back and trace in pencil. And then you're going to make a mark on the handle of your wagon, black. Black handle. Again, your rules are a must-do. The rest of the scene is a may-do if you would like to go back and color. If you need to pause the video at any point in order to make those marks, go ahead and do so. But if not, join me on the back side of the worksheet where we are again at an airport. A place where airplanes land is an airport, okay? And my first coloring rule is for the vehicles. If it's made to take you places, it's a vehicle. Use your super spy eyes because they're all over the place. You're going to make a mark on all of your vehicles, yellow. I'm only going to make a mark on one of mine, but it's the biggest one that takes up much of our picture. All your vehicles are going to be yellow. If you need to pause the video in order to make all of your marks, go ahead and do so. My next coloring rule is for that building in the background. That building is the airport hangar. This is where they go to get maintenance done. This is also called the terminal in here. This is if you've ever been to wait for a flight. This is where you would wait. This tower up here is where the air controller, they sit up there and they make sure that everyone's really safe and that no planes are crashing into each other. So all of that is a part of this building back here. There's a little one over here too. The coloring rule is for your buildings, okay? If it has walls and a roof, it's a building, and you're gonna make a mark on him, green. Green building, yellow vehicles. If you've made those marks, you are done for right now. We made a mark. Don't forget to go back and color all the way. Trace any dotted lines that you see. Take a picture of the front and back and post it to Google Classroom. Until next time, boys and girls, bye-bye.